sevens. So today I am going to be teaching you all a simple little trick about multiplying by 9. First, I want us to look at some definitions of these 3 vocabulary that we're going to look at today. So the first word is the word multiply. And when you say that you're going to multiply something, that just means you are going to add by using equal groups. So let me write that down for you all. Okay. The product that we get is going to be our answer. So our answer of a multiplication problem. And our factors are going to be our numbers that we use to multiply. So in this statement down here, this number is going to be a factor, and this number is going to be a factor, while this number is going to be our product. Okay, and so what I mean when I say add by using equal groups, it says that we have 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. So that means that we're going to have 3 groups of 6. So we have one group, there's our second one, and here's our third one. So we're going to have equal groups of 6 in each one. So now let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that means that 6 multiplied by 3 is going to equal 18 dots. Okay? So now that we have a feel for our vocabulary and you've seen what multiplication really is, now let's move into our multiplying by 9s and a simple trick that I like to use. Whenever I was learning my multiplication tables, multiplying by 9 was something that was very, very hard for me. And I actually learned this tip from a friend of mine in school, and I have tried to teach it to everyone that I've met since I was in school because it's such a useful trick. So let's do 9 multiplied by 1. And we know that 9 multiplied by 1 is going to be itself, but this trick, it'll show us that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take both of your hands and you are going to count them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? If we were to drop this finger, that means that these are our ones, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 ones. So we have 9 multiplied by 1, which is our pinky finger, will give us 9. Okay? Let's do 9 by 2. Okay, so for 9 by 2, we're going to do the same thing. Let me put my pen there. So we're going to go 1, 2. So we're going to put our second finger down. Then we're going to have 1 in our tens place. And then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in our ones place. So 1 in our tens place and 8 in our ones place equals 18. So we know that 9 multiplied by 2 equals 18. Let's do 9 multiplied by 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our fingers, and let me move this up for you, and we're going to count 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, my cat tried to jump over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to put that finger down. So we know that anything that is on the left side of the finger that we put down is going to be in our tens place. And anything that is on the right side of our finger that we put down is going to be in our ones place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So we'll go ahead and put the 5. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So we're going to have 54. 9 multiplied by 6 equals 54. All right, now I'm going to give you guys some problems, and I want you guys to work these out for me. And then we can check them together. So let's do 9 multiplied by 4. Okay, so let's do this one together. I'll give you guys time to do this with your fingers, and then we'll come back and do this one. So we have 9 multiplied by 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do we have in our tens place? 1, 2, 3. So we know we're going to put a 3 in our tens place. And how many do we have in our ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to have 6 in our ones place. Awesome. Okay. Now let's do the next one. 9 multiplied by 7. Okay. I'll let you have some time to do this one on your own. Okay. So we have 9 multiplied by 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to put our 7th finger down. So let's see how many we have in our tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can go ahead and write the 6 here in our tens spot. See how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3. So 9 multiplied by 7 is 63. And let's do 9 multiplied by 9. Okay. So 9 multiplied by 9, we're going to count over 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's see how many we have in our tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 tens. And how many do we have for our ones place? 1. So 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. Okay. And let's do 9 multiplied by 10. So we know that with our tens, if we multiply anything by 10 that is a single digit number, you are going to take this number and replace the 1. So we know that that could be 90. If you want to continue the method that we've been using, we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that leaves us with 9 in our tens place. And then a 0 in our ones place because there's nothing after that pinky. Alrighty. I really hope that this lesson has helped you guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below or send them to your classroom teacher, or you can just comment them down below and I'll be sure to reply to you all. Alrighty. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.